Hey guys, I just want to share with you guys on how to hide some data while you prefer to work few data or few sites. Let's say you're dealing with a lot of, like, let's say 6 or 7 sites, then you have this big Excel sheet, then you don't want to start working with all the data together, environmental data and floristic data. So let's say we only want site, but the rest we just want the NPK, and we don't want, for example, all the species that starting with A. Let's say we have like acacia, and then we have Acurantia aspera. We don't want those. We don't want the species that started with B, for example. There's B started there. Then you right click and say hide. There we go. Now we only have NPK and the species that we want to compare the growth with NPK availability in the soil. Now in this case, let's say we don't want the site. We have site 2, site 1, site 2, site 3. What can we do here? We can remove site 2 up to 3 by just going to the rows column. Remember the first one we did with the column, but now we can go with the rows. So this first row can be highlighted up to site 3. So we can hide these rows by right clicking and then hide. There we go. So we only left with one site. Then this will allow us which species are not willing, and check exactly which species are found and which species are not found here. For example, in the case of this species, it's 0, which means there was no species found available in this site. Similar, there's no species found for this species. So this is how you can sort out the data. Now, how to find out if you get this data like this, then you don't know exactly whether there's some hidden data or not. You have to highlight there and go find and select, then go to special, and then click visible cells only. Okay, you see these 2 lines on columns tells us exactly what happened, and on the rows we have this line right at the bottom here telling us exactly that there's hidden data here and there's hidden data there. Similar, there's a hidden data at the bottom, then the one that's on top. So how to undo this situation? We go where there's a separation between your data where it started, you highlight that column, the next one, right click and set hidden. We're gonna do the same also for the next one. We're hidden. Then in terms of rows, we're just gonna go down there where it started, and the last, because that's where we found the gap in between the 2 rows. So right click and set hidden. You see that your data will come back to normal. So this is how you deal with data when you want to just work with specific data before you move to the next point. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe and drop us a comment. If you have any suggestion, it will be welcome. Thank you very much for your time. Cheers. Bye.